recently held a survey in our community, and we asked everyone to choose an integer between 0 and 100 that they thought would be 2/3 of the average of all the numbers chosen. So if the average of all the guesses is 30, then the correct guess will be 20. So what number would you have chosen? In this game, every player has access to the same information, and they also know that everyone else has the same information. Now, we can find the optimal solution for this game by using something called K-level reasoning. K-level thinking is defined recursively with a non-rational level 0 player designed for the particular situation and a level K player basing his actions on the assumption that all the other participants are level K-1. For this game, a level 0 player would act randomly and guess a random number. A level 1 player would assume everyone else is a level 0 player and think that the random guesses would average out to 50. Hence, level 1 player would guess 2/3 of 50, that is 33. Similarly, a level 2 player assumes everyone is a level 1 player and would enter 2/3 of 33. You could keep going on with this logic. As a result, the optimal guess decreases at each level and eventually reaches 0. This is the Nash equilibrium state. In our experiment, the average guess was 39.5. So if you guessed 26, congratulations. Now let us discuss another situation, the coin doubling game. There are 2 players and a finite number of turns. The game starts with some number of coins in a pile. Then player A in his turn can either double the pile or take the pile. If he chooses to double, it is player B's turn and the game continues. If he takes the pile, the game ends. So when is it optimal to take the pile? A level 0 player would choose to double the pile every time. A level 1 player would assume that his opponent is a level 0 player and will thus choose to double the pile on every turn except his last. A level 2 player will choose to double the pile on every turn except his second to last, since he knows if he were to double the pile on that turn, his level 1 opponent would choose to end the game. This continues inductively. Hence, a finitely intelligent player would choose to end the game on the very first turn. Interestingly, when chess grandmasters played the doubling game, they generally chose to double when playing against students, but chose to end the game when playing against other grandmasters. This suggests that the players take their specific opponents into consideration rather than making general assumptions. This is where psychology comes into the play. During penalty kicks in a football match, both the goalkeeper and the shooter decides whether to go left or right based on what they think the other person is thinking. In the stock market, investors consider the potential actions of other markets and how they impact a particular stock. They think about how other investors may react to news or market changes. So this is K-level reasoning.